What's up, guys? How you guys doing? Mr. Belize here. We're about to head out to one of the weekly car meets out here that I go to, and we're taking out ELEANOR here, A.K.A. SPEEDO on crack. It's been a while since I've driven her, so I'm gonna get her out there, get a little view, and she needs a little work, but see, yeah. So I know, guys. Hey, I've been slacking on my videos. It's been a little over probably 2 weeks since I posted a video up on the channel, and if I want to grow, then you know what I'm saying, I gotta put content for you guys to check out. But yeah, just been a little bit busy, so hopefully I could get into posting more content to the channel, and put other stuff apart from the car shows I go to up there as well, which is part of the plan. But like, if you guys are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, subscribe. And if you're returning, then hey, thank you. Give it a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so you know when that next video hits the site. But like I said, I'm taking out ELEANOR here, A.K.A. SPEEDO on crack. Like I said before, I really haven't driven her that much, so it's a little fun little car. It's one of the first cars I ever bought and paid for. So I gotta put some work in it, make it a little show car. But like, yeah, so we'll be out in that meet in about a minute. Alright, guys, so we're out here at this car meet. We'll walk around, see what nice cars are out here. If you look behind me, yeah, where you at? You can get me, hey me. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it's a blue baby behind me. So we'll put some pictures in the video later of that blue baby. Ain't nothing big about it, but it's my baby that.
What's up? What are you doing?
Just trying to YouTube, yeah.
I'm trying to YouTube.
I don't know what.
I look old. I look like I'm decrepit. I'm tired.
Then we're old together. You know what I'm saying? We're old together.
Blood clap.
Blood clap. Oh man, about to check out some cars. See what's going on out here. Batman BRZ. Oh. He ain't here.
We call it curry chicken.
The curry chicken. He ain't here. So
when it runs, it's rice and peas.
Oh man, he ain't here. Wait till he gets out here. You be like, whatever. Hey, dude. He was calling your car a what you call it? What did you call it? Oh, he called it a fake. You gonna let him talk about the side like that? Ah, see?
Well, I had to get rid of my other shirt because it looked like a Febreze. I tried to put all of them together. I put FRS, BRZ, and 86 GT on it, so it said FBRZS 86
Who made the
GT.
shirt?
My wife.
Yeah.
That's where she makes shirts.
Oh, that's nice right there.
Shirt. I need 100 fans.
Yeah, 100. It's like my house. Where you left your car? I know, right? car, man?
Yeah.
That's what you got going on in there, man.
It's got Wasco oversized piston, K1 rods, boost lab, 62. I hadn't got tuned on it, but I'm planning to make like 480 at the wheels.
You haven't got it dynoed yet?
Nah. I hadn't dynoed or tuned yet. I just put it on like a week ago.
Wow.
So yeah, I made 420 on my last setup. It was 64 millimeter. So we'll see.
So you want to make high 4s?
Yeah.
Probably 5s?
Maybe 5. I can definitely touch 5 with E85.
E85?
But I'm not ready for that yet.
You're not ready? Why not, man?
Well, I can't do flex fuel in my stock DCU.
Oh.
So I got to buy aftermarket, and I don't want to have trouble finding E85 all the time.
Nice little car. What year is it?
It's a 13.
13?
Yeah.
What, it was a startup?
Yeah. I want to know who put my car in gear.
They put you in there? What's the YouTube channel? Do you post on Instagram or?
My Instagram is genocide_. So you can follow me there.
Is this yours, man?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what you got in it, man?
It's a 91. It's got a 350. It's a L98. Nothing crazy with it. It's got a little small little roller cam on it. Little shorty headers on it. Nothing crazy, man. Little fun car. It's got a little 125 shot on it.
So how much you?
Some of these $30,000 cars out here.
So how much do you think you put it down to the wheel? Have you downloaded it?
With the spray, somewhere around 450. Without the spray, 375, maybe on a good day. But we're also on street tires too. We don't play with all the slicks and all that. You know,
hey, as long as you're having fun, man. You gotta have fun. Reds. I like that. That's pretty sweet right there.
Anybody out there who wants it, come on, man. Let me know.
All right, man. You got Instagram?
Yeah, it ain't too fast. Nah, man. I ain't got Instagram. I ain't got Facebook. I just word of mouth, you know.
Okay. I was gonna tell them to shout out your Instagram. They can follow you if you're posting pics and all that. But hey.
Nah, I ain't that too far into it. I'm fresh to the community a little bit right now.
Hey, well, you know, me too. You know what I'm saying? So I'm starting up. You know, I'm just getting out there.
Where you at?
I'm Mr. Belize. My channel is Mr. Belize.
Okay.
Yeah, so just go type in Mr. Belize. You'll see a dread guy, you know, black and white.
For sure.
You know, so you look up there.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you. All right.
Yeah.
What can I say?
Hey, you know, that's my fun car, man. I haven't driven it in a while. I call it ELEANOR. A.K.A. SPEEDO on crack. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing in it, you know what I'm saying? There's no, just straight engine, man, you know what I'm saying? 1.4, you know what I'm saying? It's a fun car, you know what I'm saying? I got my truck, but, you know, eventually I want to work on it, you know, and just get it up, you know, making it a little show car.
There you go.
All show, no go. That's what I'm going
We're keeping this one all stock, you know, make it look like it's nothing there, but...
Hey, you got to surprise him every once in a while. Man, you take care, man. You guys heard the man. You guys ready to race? Come hit him up. He's ready for you guys. He ain't afraid. Alright, so we're back home from the little car show I went to. It was a lot of fun out there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. And like I said, guys, hit that subscribe button for me, that notification bell, and share it out there. My co-pilot wasn't with me tonight. I guess she was off making sure the ice turtles didn't, you know, freeze the whole planet up. You guys should thank her for that, you know what I'm saying, that the whole world isn't getting frozen, you know, by some ice turtles. I mean, I still got to figure out what those ice turtles are, because I don't know what they are. And you guys got questions, comment, you know, put it in the comments below, you know what I'm saying. Like I said, guys, I want to make sure I get more content to the channel every week, you know, not only about the car shows I go to, but other stuff as well, you know, on there, whether it's with the truck or, you know, with ELEANOR here, as you guys see. I had a lot of fun taking her out there. I mean, it's been a while since I've driven a car, you know. I enjoy that car. Hit the subscribe button for me, notification bell, and share, guys. And I'll see you again. Peace.